Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Discord login issues, email and token errors step by step clearly. First, check Discord's server status on status. Discord.com to confirm the issue is not a global outage. Make sure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Restart your device completely to clear temporary network and app glitches. Verify you are typing the correct email and password, and disable caps lock before trying again. If you forgot the password, click Forgot Your Password and reset it from the official Discord email. Open your email inbox and spam folder, and mark Discord as not spam if the reset email is missing. Confirm you are using the correct login method, because continue with Google/Apple will not work with a different password. If Discord says email does not exist, try logging in with your username or check if you used another email. Disable any VPN or proxy, because Discord may block suspicious IP addresses and cause token failures. Turn off browser extensions like ad blockers and privacy tools that may interfere with Discord cookies. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then close and reopen the browser before logging in again. If you use the Discord app, fully close it from Task Manager or Force Stop, then reopen it. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape in Discord tasks, then relaunch Discord as administrator. On mobile, go to Settings, Apps, Discord, Storage, and clear cache. Then try logging in. If the app still fails, uninstall Discord, restart your device, and reinstall the latest version from the official store. Check that your device date and time are set to automatic, because wrong time can break token validation. Try logging in from a different browser or device to confirm whether the issue is local or account related. If you see token invalid or repeated logouts, log out everywhere by changing your Discord password. Enable two-factor authentication after you regain access to prevent repeated security lockouts. If you recently copied a token from anywhere, stop immediately, because token use violates Discord rules and causes security triggers. Run an antivirus scan to remove malware that can steal sessions and force token errors. If you get new login location detected, complete the email verification and then try again. Check if your account is temporarily locked by too many attempts, and wait 10 to 15 minutes before retrying. Make sure your email is verified in Discord settings, because unverified emails can limit account actions. If you cannot access the email account, recover the email first, because Discord support will request proof. For persistent issues, submit a ticket at support.discord.com with your email, device, and screenshots of the exact error. Do not share your password, backup codes, or any session information with anyone, even if they claim to help. After the fix, log in once, avoid rapid retries, and keep Discord updated to prevent token conflicts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.